What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Cheri Addo here with a new video. And in today's video I want to review the app that I've been using for over a week. I've been using this app because I want to know if these workouts really work and if they really work as they are saying. So they promise you like a flat belly, a worked out belly, not a six-pack, but just a good belly. And of course, who doesn't want a good belly? So I put myself as a guinea pig and to see if this app is good or not. So I've been using it now for a week. This is the app, by the way. I've been using it now for over a week. I've been using it a little bit longer, but I wasn't serious, but now I'm serious. I've did the 6 times right now. And I have to say, I think it's a good workout. You can see in my previous video, which I will show here in the side note, what kind of workouts I did and what kind of workouts they have to offer. Doing this now for 6 days, 7 days, 1 rest day, I think this is a good app. I like the workouts. I've put my own on difficult because I like to be challenged and I need to feel something. I'm already an experienced spotter. I don't know much about sport. I'm not like a sport instructor, but I've been doing sport for a long time and I know what works for me and what doesn't. And this app works for me. I like the exercises. They are simple, but they challenge you. You will feel the burn, and that is what you want, right? The only thing that I noticed with this app is that the exercises are always similar. So every day, I did it now for 6 days. There's only 2 sets of exercises they have available, which I would like to see more of them, like different kinds of exercises in different kinds of days. But now they just put one on one day, the second on the second day, and then you go back to the first day, and then you go back to the second day. Now maybe going upward, because this is like a challenge for 30 days, maybe going upward, this will change, which I hope, because it's making the exercise a little bit boring. But for now, I'm okay with it. For now, I'm okay with it. I don't see no changes yet in my size, in my belly. I think it's too early for that, but I'm very curious what I will have after the 30 days challenge, which I also will share with you guys, of course. Now, in the app itself, they offer you after every exercise a 30 seconds break. For me, I think for people who need the break, who are very out of breath, it will be good. For me, I don't really need the break. The break is making me to feel, I don't know, in between I get like lazy and I'm getting out of my mood. So I need to continue without the break. You can do this very easy in the app. Every time an exercise starts, you have to press start and the stop button or continue, and then you can skip the rest if you want. So later in this video, I will show you the exercises that I did today, which is going to be the same exercises in the video, but for people who didn't see it, these are the exercises. Feel free to join me in these exercises. If you need to pause it, you can pause it. I will show you in the small round thing which exercise is coming next, and so that you can follow me. Now the app is free and very easy to download. The only thing you have to do is put your wish. What is your wish? Do you want like a tight belly? You just want a flat belly? You want a very trained one? What is your weight? What is your age? All those basic things that you need to put in an app before you start. Then you put it on medium, hard, or very hard. You just put it in any way how you prefer it. Me, I prefer the hard one, and that's just what works for me. But you should choose yourself what works for you. So guys, I hope this was a little bit useful for you guys. feel free to download the app by yourself and do it. I'm going to use this channel and this opportunity to test more apps and to follow other fanatic sporters and do their workouts to see which one fits best for me, and I will share it on my channel, which I also did with the workout of Natasha O'Shane. But I will make a different video to explain how that went for me. But I'm very happy and I see the results that it did to me. I did the workout for Natasha O'Shane, which is called Build. It's only focused on muscle building. I noticed that during the 12 weeks, I was missing cardio a lot. And I don't really have the feeling like I lose a lot of weight, that I lose a lot of fat, which was my intention. But I do see a little bit muscle building. So that's what makes me happy and it makes me think like, okay, I didn't waste my time totally. But that will be for another video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And guys, get ready because it's a hard one. Good luck.
All I want is all of you, baby, baby. Nothing less than that will do, baby, baby. You take me higher, higher, higher. You set my soul on fire, fire, baby. You get me like no one before, yeah. You don't need me, but you want me more and more. Something I adore, and I know, I'm sure, I feel with you. So just stay, don't stay, I'm yours, babe. It's true. You take me
guys, that were today's exercises. These exercises, you should do them double. I just recorded it single and I recorded another one in short version. So you can see in my shorts also what I'm doing. You can do these exercises as many times as you want. If this works for you 3 times, 2 times, it's all good. I want to thank you for taking your time to listen to this video, to watch this video. I'm coming back very soon with the Natasha O'Shane workout review, which I'm very excited about. I will bring you along to my new challenge, which is also from her, but it's more based on weight loss. Because like I said before, I don't really feel like I lost some weight, but I think I gained weight in my muscles, which is also very good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a very good rest of the day and I will see you in the next video.